सर रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो गई।
जी तो ठीक है, इसको मैं शेयर अगर करना चाहूँ तो कैसे करूँगा?
सर ये आप मुझे भेजते थे, मैं कर लेता। ये ऊपर सर ये लीव की साथ ना, फिर मैं अपने स्लाइड जो है ना, आपने कुछ स्लाइड शेयर करनी है सर?
मैं दिखाना चाह, चलो मैं बाद में भेज दूंगा, ठीक है, कोई बात
हाँ
नहीं।
वो भेज के मैं फिर
चलें ठीक है, वो जूम में बड़ा अच्छा था, मैं खुद ही शेयर करता था, लेकिन आपने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम की है। चलें
इधर भी यही स्टाइल है। मैं आपको सर फिर समझा दूंगा, इसमें शेयरिंग आसान है, लेकिन आपको
नहीं तो अभी समझा दें, कोई बात नहीं।
सर ये जो ऊपर लीव नजर आ रहा है आपको, रेड निशान,
अभी देखता हूँ।
ये जो रेड निशान नजर आ रहा है उसके करीब ना एक एरो है।
रेड निशान नहीं नजर आ रहा।
अच्छा ये शायद फिर बिल्कुल टॉप पर सर, राइट साइड के टॉप पे।
राइट साइड पे टॉप पे नहीं है
नहीं है?
सर,
एक
रहने
एरो,
दें।
एरो का निशान नजर आ रहा है, एरो का ऊपर, जिसको ना
अच्छा एरो शायद है, हाँ जी एरो
उस
है।
एरो को सर आप क्लिक करें, ये शेयरिंग के लिए होता है।
एरो तो नहीं है, वीडियो वीडियो का है।
ये स्टूडेंट आप लोगों को ये जो लीव नजर आता है कि नहीं?
नहीं मेरे पास
सर नजर आ रहा है।
नहीं नजर आ रहा, यहाँ नहीं है।
सही ली वाला ऑप्शन के साथ है एरो।
सर ये पता नहीं, आप गेस्ट है इस वजह से नजर नहीं आता। सर फिर आप मुझे सेंड कर दें, मैं अपलोड कर लेता हूँ।
नहीं वो नहीं कर सकता इस वक्त ठीक है।
अच्छा
ये इस पे तो कुछ और है, क्लासिफिकेशन विद रिगार्ड टू लीगल इफेक्ट, ये क्या चीज आ रही है?
ये मैं वो ये मैंने स्लाइड शेयर की, इसको मैं रिमूव कर लेता हूँ।
इसे रिमूव कर दें।
तो आप सर भेज देते, वो मैं अपलोड कर दूँ फिर।
नहीं वो अभी अभी नहीं करना चाहता मैं, इसके बाद इलेक्शन के बाद कर दूंगा।
अच्छा फिर आप सर ना ये आप अपने उस पर क्लिक कर देते हो, आपकी पिक्चर बड़ी हो जाएगी।
पिक्चर तो बड़ी हुई है, इसको
बस
तो
हो
मैं
गई
स्मॉल
सर,
करके जाता हूँ।
स्लाइड नजर
इसको
नहीं
तो
आते, मैंने दिखा दिया सर। अब आप शुरू करें।
अच्छा, लेकिन मैं इसको छोटा करना चाह रहा हूँ तो कैसे करूँ?
क्या आपकी तस्वीर?
नहीं नहीं, ये स्लाइड जो मेरे
आपकी
पास सामने आ
तस्वीर,
रही है।
आपकी तस्वीर सर बड़ी नजर आ रही है हमको।
हाँ आपको तो नजर आ रही है, मुझे मैं कुछ नहीं देख सक रहा इसमें। आपने जूम पे क्यों नहीं किया? मुझे जूम पे कर देना, वो मैं अपडेट कर सकता हूँ सही तरीके से।
सर वो असल में ना वो फिर
अच्छा चलें ठहरें, चलें फिर मैं बस शुरू करता हूँ।
ठीक
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
है सर।
The students, probably you remember what I said yesterday. Yesterday, I finished my presentation by saying, tomorrow we will discuss why economics is not for humanity and how economic principles of Islam can be used to develop economics as a science for humanity. This was the question. Before I answer this question, we need you to answer the following question on yourself. Economics is a science not for humanity, but economics of Islam is. That is why you are studying this Islamic economics course. How you will prove at the end of this class that Dr. Anwar is taking that economics is a science not for humanity, but economics of Islam is. You have to answer this question from this class of Dr. Anwar. If you don't, then it means you did not understand Islamic economics. Science does not depend on religion. It depends on observation of facts. How does Islam come in economics? To call it Islamic economics or science of economics in Islam. I will send you this slide. I wanted you to take this the picture of this slide, but since I'm not able to share it, so I will send you this slide, this question that I raised yesterday, and I want to explain today. Let us understand this question. What is economics? It is a science to study economic behavior of man, right? What is economic behavior? Economic behavior, you use this word many times. It is behavior related to wealth. Anything else? Think over it. What is wealth? Possession of certain rights on a property. Carefully understand these things. What is property? Ownership on some goods and services. What are goods and services? I will not define. You should know it, and you should use it in answering my question. How to create wealth? It requires efforts. You study labor and capital for efforts, for the word efforts. Why these efforts you make? You make production of goods and services, and that goods and services, your rights, property rights on those goods and services then becomes your wealth. Why to create wealth? You create wealth for fulfilling your needs, meaning consumption. When you create wealth using efforts with labor and capital, you make production. You make this production, you make this wealth to fulfill your needs, mean consumption. In economics, you may have used the word utility, but it doesn't matter. Use utility or needs. I like to use the word needs. Why you produce and consume? Why do you make production and consumption? Answer is in self-interest or selfish interest. Think over it. There is a difference between the two. Needs are unlimited. Consumption is unlimited that you want to make. Efforts to produce goods and services to meet your needs are limited. The resources that you get from the production are called resources, and they are limited because your efforts are limited, because labor, your human efforts and your physical assets are limited to produce. How to maximize fulfilling the needs from your own production? You need to exchange property rights on the goods and services that you produce. This exchange is called market. Now, this is science of economics, nothing else. If you have something else in science of economics, tell me. Tell me after 10 minutes when I finish this. This is all is science of economics. Anything else, let me know. Within this that I explained, where Islamic comes in. Where is Islam? Halal, haram, Sharia, law, legal framework does not make it science. They're a matter of operation. Science remains the subject of topics of only these words. How economics of Islam can make a new science on economic behavior. This is a question. I will send you this slide also. What I want.
दोबारा रिपीट कर रहे हैं
जी,
ये क्वेश्चन दोबारा रिपीट करें जो अभी बताया आप.
Economics of Islam can make economics a new science. If these are the words that determine economics. I wish I had it on the slide, you could show it, but I will send it after my 10 minutes. Dr. Anwar, I make one suggestion to you. It is up to you, what you decide. I want that how you will grade the students in this class. Test or writing a term paper?
दोनों है सर.
I suggest let them write only 5-page or 3-page rather, make it 3-page term paper to answer the question, to explain the answer to these questions that I will do just in 10 minutes. Is it possible? Just term paper, and you grade. You will grade them, but first I will
assignment
see
thing.
Assignment thing, yes, whatever you call it.
यहाँ इसका मार्क्स रख देंगे, लेकिन ये असाइनमेंट हो जाएगी सर.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, इसको ग्रेड आप इसी बेसिस पे देना है. But before you give them grade, I will evaluate myself and I will tell you or suggest you how to grade them.
ठीक है.
Is this acceptable to students?
स्टूडेंट तो कहते हैं कि हमने लर्न करना है सर. ये तो हम उनको लर्निंग की तरीके से समझा रहे हैं.
Well, this is exactly what I want from the term paper. What did you learn from your lectures in this class? And I am telling you how now from now on, I will change their thought process. They will think differently. Let me suggest this. I just mention a few words. It is in bold letter. You please see them carefully. I will send you this slide shortly. And this is what you have to answer. You know economics, or these questions that I raised in ECO 101, whatever was number 101, that first course in undergraduate student. If you can answer, and if you can answer the question how economics of Islam can make a new science with these words only, which I highlighted, then I understand, I will know that you understood ECO 101 properly, and now you are able to change that ECO 101, which means changing the science. See, the words in bold, highlighted in the previous slide, are wealth. You can note it down. Wealth, labor, capital, self-interest, needs, efforts, production, consumption, market. These are the basic words on which the economic science of economics is explained in ECO 101. If economics has to be different, then ECO 1 will have to change these words or explain these words properly. I will answer for you only 2 words: self-interest and market. The rest of the words, wealth, labor, capital, market, consumption, production, efforts, needs, you should think over them during the lectures that you are hearing from Dr. Anwar. And the answer or the explanation of this in your term paper will be based on what you learn from the lecture of Dr. Anwar. So the two words, self-interest. Is this self-interest or selfish interest in your economics, in ECO? Is there a difference between self-interest or selfish interest? There is a difference. Self-interest is when you may become happy by using something yourself or letting someone else use your property. You become happy in both cases. But economics considers only selfish interest. Making someone else happy is called charity, which is not considered a part of economics, which means they think economics is a science of only selfish interest. Should it be? What will make you to think that this is different? Because self-interest is a part of an instinct inside your humanity, in your human being. It is self-interest, it is your interest. But why it is not your interest to make someone else happy? It is also in your interest. Everybody recognizes it. Everybody recognizes it, that making someone else happy makes myself happy. And Quran also says this. In Surah Ash-Shams, وَنَفْسٍ وَمَا سَوَّاهَا. Instinct, we created self-interest. فَأَلْهَمَهَا فُجُورَهَا وَتَقْوَاهَا. This instinct contains bad things and good things. So it is your decision to be on which side of the instinct, on the good side or on the bad side. The good side, of course, most of it will be in selfish interest. On my interest, it should be good to eat, to eat this and to eat that and to eat that and to do this and to do that, etc. This is can be selfish interest. But some part of your activities are in making others happy also. You observe it daily. So many activities you do just to make someone else happy, not for yourself. And wealth is included in that. You give 1 rupee or 10 rupee or 100 rupees once a while in a week or in a day or in a month. Why that is not part of economic? Why that is not a part of self-interest? This is my first question on economics, that why economics depends only selfish interest and does not include self-interest. The other part of self-interest. The other part of self-interest is compassion, rahm, दूसरों के लिए. So, why it is not in economics? It should be economics. Now it is your part. You are now master of philosophy now in economics, included in the study of human behavior. This is one. Second, market. This was the second word, market. Market is exchange of property rights. Market is the best way of exchanging your property rights with the other property rights to meet your needs as much as you can. Economics says it should be perfectly competitive, it should be free and perfectly competitive in order to make you meet your needs maximize in a maximum way. This is economics. Nothing is wrong in this concept of market. Islam promotes this. Islam agrees it and likes market to work efficiently by making it free and competitive. This is what economics also says. So we have, I have no reservation on this. But understand market. Market will make resources for which you produce or which you consume. Market will transfer the resources where they are more productive from where they are less productive. This is the function of market, and Islam approves it. That resources should go where they are more productive, not where they should not stay where they are less productive. This is waste of resources, israf, or waste of resources. Islam does not approve this. Read Quran, you will find so many cases. Inna Allah la yuhibbul musrifin. Resources have to be most productive, most beneficial, most beneficial for self-interest. So then, if this is it, then why economics should change? I tell you why it should change. Why people are poor and why people are rich? Do you know? The assets, poor do not have assets. Rich have assets, the capital. Efforts require not only labor. Some assets are required to make labor productive. This is capital. This is called capital. This can be tools, or this can be human capital, or this can be physical capital. These resources will never stay with poor people. They will go to the rich people. This probably you did not understand in economics. If now government says, okay, everybody will have equal capital, what will happen? Government will distribute the capital. What will happen? Poor also have and rich also have same capital. But when poor use it with their labor to produce production, it will be lesser. The rich will get it, make production more. Why? Because by nature, some people are weak. By nature, some people have more ability to work, and some have less. This is nature. This, if you want to explain, then go to the Quran, what it says. It is a test for the humanity. But we do not go less. We know that poor will use capital less productively. Rich will produce capital more productively. So it doesn't matter if government decides to give you same capital as rich will take it back from you. What are you producing it? Let me give you more benefits for that and give this capital to me. So he makes more wealth, and part of the wealth he gives to the poor. So poor will remain poor. Rich will become richer and richer. Think about it. I will stop it here. That if market can do it, then poor have to remain poor in economics. This is not humanity. Economics must take care of people who cannot use their resources productively. What can be done? Does Islam has anything in it to say? Does Islam produce another institution complementing the market? Why anybody else cannot do it? Why only Islam can do it? And is that only because of religion? Or it exists because of the instinct also? These are the questions. Term paper will be the answer to all these questions, along with the wealth, labor, capital, or the words that I have given. I will just send you these 3 slides. And if Dr. Anwar assigns you this assignment, then after a few days, after you have done some little understanding on them, then I will give you complete answer in 25 slides. How many slides I have? about 47, 45 slides. What you will have to do it, just write them with full understanding, with full logic in 3 pages. 45 slides is less than 3 pages, but properly articulated, and I will evaluate them. You can send me even before finally submitting. I will tell you where you are incomplete or where you are you have not reached the point, and you can revise it. So I'll give you further full information how to write your term paper. But once you have given this term paper to Dr. Anwar, then it will explain, the higher grades will explain how quickly you write any thesis proposal, any, in economics, not Islamic economics, in economics. And that will also explain that how quickly your proposal will be accepted by faculty. If you write this term paper correctly, this will show your ability to write a thesis proposal. Thank you very much. I'll send you the 3 slides. And I will be available as you did last time to listen to your lecture, and if there is anything, I will come back.
थैंक यू सर। तो मैं सर ये स्टॉप कर रहा हूँ ताकि फिर वो शेयर करें।